This is an amazing compact smart oven. It has digital controls and a knob control. As you can see, perfect for reheating pizza and now to toast this bread. You can see it includes 8 cooking functions, so it is perfect for toast, bagels, baking, broil, pizza, roast, cookies, and reheat. Here's a closer look at all of the functions. You can also select how many slices and on this LCD display. There you see it. Also perfect for adjusting temperature, darkness, defrosting items. This tray can be placed on the bottom, middle, or top tier per your convenience. The Breville has a non-stick cavity coating on the walls on the inside, so this feature is amazing for easy cleaning and non-stick coating. The LCD display and buttons change colors as it is heating that toast. Look at this beautiful, elegant stainless steel look. Matches any kitchen. And voila, it's ready. LCD changed again. This is perfect for when you need to reheat things and conserve that flavor and you don't want to use your conventional oven. Overall, 10 out of 10, recommend.